Ah, it's recording now. See the R?
The before +2s allegedly.
Lights off.
Ward.
Here, let me do this right for you. Here, you got some light on. So this was the ported out by somebody had. Who was this one?
Ward.
Ward.
Ward Performance.
So this is better than the Branch, which is the other set of heads we got. And this is a Tatro set over here. So
the revised version.
So this one here, the thumb barely fits in there, and this one over here, oh, we got clearance. I haven't ported it yet, but you already see it's cut way out from what this one is. And we also unshrouded it, so when you put your valves in there like this, this is all cut away right here, so when you open these valves up, you got 600 lift, it's still flowing, no problem.
You took
it's not shrouded at all.
A few points of compression out of my...
You got too much compression anyway. Wait until I get to the intake side, what's going to happen over there. So you can see how shrouded this one is right here. It's got no clearance at all. So when you get it up to about 600 lift, it finally opens up a little bit around it. But you still got that choke point right there, where this one here, as soon as you open it, it's flowing around the whole big ass thing, and no restriction at all. And I had to go that much to get the inside cut where we needed it. Slick, huh? So this here has a nice cut through here. There's no edge in here, so that's all unshrouded also through here. My normal unshroud everything so it runs good deal. So anyway, we're gonna make some cutting here. There you go, you're in charge.